What is openSUSE Tumbleweed? openSUSE Tumbleweed is a rolling release Linux distribution. That means you install it once and continue receiving updated software, the kernels, the drivers, and desktop environments without needing to reinstall a new version every few years like LTS releases. Unlike many rolling distributions, Tumbleweed updates are tested thorough. Unlike many rolling distributions, Tumbleweed updates are tested through openQA before they are released. This helps catch major problems while still giving users access to newer software quickly. Tumbleweed works well for developers, Linux enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone who wants a modern KDE Plasma or GNOME desktop. Software is managed using Yast, Myrlyn, or Zypper through command line tools. The Btrfs file system and Snapper also allow you to roll back system if an update causes an issue. Tumbleweed gives you fresh software, strong testing, and powerful recovery tools, all in a rolling release Linux distribution that is based on weekly updates for the OS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.